In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Google Workspace in just a few minutes. Whether you're considering a change in your business needs or simply looking to explore different options, unsubscribing from Google Workspace is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, you want to navigate to Google Workspace. This is your starting point where all your management options reside. Once you're there, look for the admin console, which is where we can control and modify our account settings. The admin console is your command center for everything from adding users to managing billing. Now go ahead and log in using your business email. Make sure you enter the correct email address associated with your account, then click next or sign in. Being in the correct account is crucial because we don't want to make changes to the wrong profile. With access to the admin console, your next task is to locate the Google Apps menu, which you can find at the top right of your screen. It's a handy tool that consolidates all Google applications, making it easy to switch between them. Click on the admin icon from the drop-down menu. This will guide you directly to where we need to be to manage your billing. Once in the admin panel, navigate to the billing section. This area handles everything related to your subscriptions, whether you're managing multiple ones or just the primary Google Workspace account. In the billing section, find and click on subscriptions. Here you will see a list composed of all active subscriptions linked to your account. Identify your specific subscription plan that you wish to unsubscribe from and click on it. When you've clicked into your subscription plan, the next step is to select More. The More option will often reveal additional settings and options pertinent to managing your subscription. Proceed by selecting Cancel Subscription. This action will begin the cancellation process. You may be asked to provide a reason for cancellation. Frequently, companies seek to understand why customers are leaving, but you're free to choose the option that best fits your situation. Once you've confirmed your intention to unsubscribe, click on Continue to move forward with the cancellation procedure. This ensures that you actually want to cancel and aren't doing so by accident, as it could have implications for your data and service use. As a final confirmation, proceed by clicking Cancel Subscription once more, and this will complete the process. It's always a good idea to know any relevant information about the cancellation policy, like how long you'll retain access to your services before they are completely terminated. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of unsubscribing from Google Workspace. This process is designed to be as clear as possible, ensuring that you're not paying for services you no longer need. Should you decide to resubscribe or explore new Google services, you can always sign up again with just a few clicks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you today.